My name is Wendy Escobedo. I'm the Senior Manager of Culinary for World Central Kitchen, and we're here in DC today. Obviously, our mission really is to feed people, to be first on the front lines, feeding people, and for us, that's the key, right? Is making sure that we're able to get to the community as quickly as possible, feed them as quickly as possible.
We are really honored to collaborate with this organization, which serves for millions of people around the world, and which has a global impact.
We did Emirati traditional chicken saluna with white rice.
The chefs picked a traditional dish that they wanted to make for the community. This is going to the Rescue Mission, which is a local NGO here in DC that feeds the homeless. So they will usually take those donations and then serve them to the community. I have cooked with some Emirati ingredients before. We did some stuff in the Middle East, so a little bit different, but I've never actually cooked anything traditional, so it's exciting to be here with the chefs today and to kind of see how they're spicing things and all of that.
If you learn about the food, you learn a lot more about the culture. You learn the stories behind it and everything. That's why when we do our Emirati food, we try to mix it with other cultures so we can explain to people about our culture and educate people about the Emirati culture and the Emirati food.
It's been great just to get to know them. Clearly a lot of talent, and I'm excited to see what they're going to do in the future. I mean, this is only the beginning for them, so it's really great.
It was a really great experience working with organization like the World Central Kitchen that does amazing humanitarian work. So it was a very nice experience.